ended up getting this electric laundry detergent pump on Amazon, and this makes it extremely easy to just not have to worry about dipping the whole can into these little cups right here to actually fill it up with your laundry detergent or your fabric softener. So let's set this up. This is everything that is included in the box. The actual pump itself, a little stand here to hold the cup and the charger to charge the electric pump, and the pipe that goes right here that feeds into the laundry detergent. First, you're gonna fit this stand inside of here in this hole. Top of the dispenser actually has measurements right here, so you could just press each, lets out a certain amount of detergent each time. Once you actually have the laundry detergent pump installed, you are able to press the button on the top here and it will start dispensing the laundry detergent. If you want to drop a certain amount and not have to press it manually, all you have to do is press the button designated to that and it'll drop it and it will stop. If you're tired of constantly tilting your laundry detergent or your fabric softener and you want something a little bit more automatic, you can definitely get this. This will definitely be of use to you. Thank you so much to the brand for reaching out and sending me this product in exchange for an honest review.